Hi, I'm Bob. Today we're going to talk about how to adjust the downstream pressure on a water pressure reducing valve. One of the key components of water pressure is to understand what pressure is. It's normally designated as the push of water going through the supply pipe to your homes. Typically, municipalities have a high water pressure in their pipes of anywhere from 150 to 200 psi. That is to meet their requirements, which are typically for firefighting equipment, high-rise buildings, or compensating for differentiation and elevations. For most homes, this higher water pressure is not needed or desired. The installation of a water pressure reducing valve, like this one here, lowers the pressure to a sensible level to protect piping and appliances, as well as control water consumption. Residential pressure reducing valves are factory set at 50 psi. To properly adjust downstream pressure on a water pressure reducing valve, a downstream gauge is required. This gauge shows the incoming municipal supply pressure, 120 psi. And this gauge shows the downstream pressure at 50 psi. To raise the downstream pressure, first loosen the lock nut. Next, turn the adjusting screw clockwise to the desired pressure level as indicated on the downstream gauge. To lower the downstream pressure, loosen the lock nut. Next, turn the adjusting screw counterclockwise to the desired pressure level as indicated on the downstream gauge. When adjustments are complete, be sure to tighten the lock nut. For additional information on water pressure reducing valves, visit our website at watts.com.